Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over a couple things that you might have missed from last week, along with some new products, tools, and just some things that I think you should be made aware of. Let's get into the video. For those of you that haven't taken a look at the GAPP program, I highly recommend that you do. On the website, we go over it thoroughly, covering all sorts of topics and answering a bunch of questions that people have had. As you can see, there is a very large frequently asked questions section where you can gain all the answers that you will possibly need about this program. We also introduced the Incell LCD for the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Definitely one of those options where if somebody's looking for a cheaper repair, you'll be able to give it to them. And the iPhone 15 Pro X07 2.0, a 120 Hz display that is IC transfer compatible at a wonderful price. And now in stock, there are OEM pull charging cables. As you can see, we've got the USB-C to USB-C 3 and 6 foot, and then the Thunderbolt USB-C to USB-C 3 and 6 foot as well. And of course, the USB-C to Lightning cables and the USB-A to Lightning cable 3 foot as well. These are all OEM pulls, which means that they're definitely the best for the devices. And last but not least, the game consoles accessories that are now back in stock. These were really popular, especially if you are someone that works with consoles or sells consoles or fixes consoles. These are really cool accessories to add to them. So definitely go through and check those out if you haven't already. Like this really cool Nintendo Switch wireless dual monitor controller with Bluetooth, allowing for somebody to use the Switch with a more natural feeling hand controller. And one of the tools that I recommend you get if you do a lot of camera lens repairs is the CK9 back camera frame disassembly tool for the iPhone 6 through 15 Pro Max. If you'd like this demoed in a video, let me know in the comments below. If there's something else that you'd like to see demonstrated in a video, let me know as well. That wraps up today's video. I've got a bunch of fun videos coming this week, so make sure that you have the notifications turned on, that you're subscribed, so that you don't miss out on those videos. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.